Hello guys, welcome again to my channel. Today let's solve this math problem which read x minus 1 close bracket to the power of x is equals to 1024, which is 1024. What is the possible value for x? So if you are new yet here, please click on the subscription button and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I drop videos on mathematics. So let's see how we can solve this challenge. Okay, before I solve, I want you to pause this video and try if you can solve the possible value for x. Okay, if you are done solving, you can replay this video again. So let's provide a solution to this challenge. So if you see this equation very well, we are having x inside the bracket and we're having x outside as an exponent, which is open bracket x minus 1 close bracket to the power of x equals to 1024. Then what is the possible value for x? So let's solve for this. It's a solution. Okay, with a solution. I haven't done this, so what are we going to do again? So simply write x minus 1 or to the power of x, okay, equals to 1024. Okay, so we are having this, So the next thing we are going to do, is to work on this, So what are we going to do? Okay, we are having 1024, okay, and this 1024 we can write to be 2 to the power of 5 times 2 to the power of 5. So here at this point, if we apply the rules of indices, which says we are having a to the power of m times a to the power of n is also equals to a to the power of m plus n. So if we put this through, at this point we are having this to be 1, 2 to 4 is equals to 2 to the power of 5 plus 5. Okay, which is also equals to, making it equals to 2 to the power of 10. Okay, so having done this, wherever we see 1024, we are putting 2 to the power of 10. So come back to this our equation, which is x minus 1 or to the power of x is equals to 2 to the power of 10. Okay, haven't done this, what are we simply going to do again? Okay, from here we can break 10 down. We see, so in other words, we can say 10 is equals to 5 times 2. Okay, so come here to write x minus 1 or to the power of x is equals to 2 to the power of 5 times 2. Okay, 2 to the power of 5 times 2, and 2 to the 5 times 2 is going to give us this 10. Okay, haven't done this, what are we going to do again? Okay, looking at this point, we are going to apply the rule which says if you're having a to the power of m times n is also equals to a to the power of n or to the power of m. So if we put this through here, we have this to be open bracket x minus 1 close bracket to the power of x is equals to 2 to the power of 2 or to the power of 5. So this is 5. So we are having this now. So we are having this. So what are we going to do? Recall that 2 to the power of 2 is also equals to 4. So from here we can write this to be x minus 1, okay, to the power of x is equals to 4 or to the power of 5. We are getting close to the answer. Okay, haven't done this, we are going to apply a little logic at this part so that we can easily compare the value of x rather. So we can write this 4, we can write 4 again. 4 is equals to minus 1 plus 5. Okay, which is also equals to 5 minus 1. Okay, so wherever we see 4, we'll put 5 minus 1. So we're having this to be x minus 1 all to the power of x is equals to 5 minus 1 all to the power of this 5, all to the power of 5. Okay, so this is what we are now having. So if you look at this equation very well, by comparison, we are having x 5, this minus 1, which is this minus 1, and x at this power number is also equals to 5. So by comparison, okay, comparison of our x is equals to 5. So this is the value of x. This is the value of x. So if you find this video useful and interesting and logically, please click on the subscription button if you have not done that, and don't forget to hit on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I drop videos on mathematics. And please don't forget to hit on the thumbs up button and put a comment on the comment section below. If you find anywhere in this challenge that is confusing, you can drop that on the comment section below. I am ever ready to answer your comments. And if you find this thing that you have another method of or another approach of solving this, you can also drop that on the comment section below. Bye bye, and see you in my next amazing maths challenge. Thank you.